Hi Cancer, Power and Light Tarot coming at you with the love reading. This is about your person, alright? And yeah, don't forget your Moon, Rising, and Venus videos to get a more complete picture of your situation here, or you know, who you're dealing with as well, right? Yeah. But yeah, let's get started, you guys. And let's see here, from the Earth Wisdom Oracle, we have Heal Thyself once more. Okay, so I feel like a lot of people are getting over some kind of a painful situation here, or some kind of pain, right? Heal thyself. Yeah, this lady here, and this can be done here with nature as well, right? It can, right? This is why sometimes sitting in the office too many hours is not good. But yeah, we all know that nature can heal, right? Now, you also, your person also pulled inspiration here, right? I feel like your person is, you know, they could be healing themselves, right? Okay, so, you know, sometimes I forget this is about them. But it could be, you know, sometimes it can be about you as well, because, you know, we know that with these readings here. Inspiration, I feel like your person is inspired here, and they are inspired to heal themselves. Yeah, awesome. And they're being advised to clear their aura, right? And healing is can be about clearing your aura as inspiration as well. They're being advised here to clear the energy, clear their energy, right? Yeah, clear it here and heal themselves. And this will bring about all kind of inspiration for them here. I feel like that's very cool here for your person here. This can be a bit of an awakening here. Not as much as Gemini's person is going through a huge transformation. And these readings can be connected here to, I think so, sometimes Cancer and a Gemini here. Your person's energy right now is justice. They could be feeling balanced here, or that everything is fair, maybe here. Let's see here. You could be dealing with a Libra, though, Cancer. Why is that justice there? Justice can be. Let's see. Why is justice here for Cancer's person? The Devil, and we have the Five of Pentacles. So I feel like what this is that your person is balancing the scales. After being left out in the cold here, or after leaving somebody out in the cold. They could have left you out here, and now everything is becoming more, you know, more balanced here. That could be the case with inspiration and clear the aura, right? Especially with inspiration here, we cannot be inspired if things are not fair or balanced. There's no way. Yeah, let's see over here. The Hangman is what is crossing them. There could be Piscean energy, or Capricorn. Why is the Hangman there, please? For Cancer's person. Queen of Pentacles. Wow. Okay, so your person, let's see, I feel like your person has been dealing, Cancer, with an earth sign here. Like on the side, clarify for some of you, why is that Queen of Pentacles there? Why is that challenging or crossing Cancer's person? The Chariot. This is you, Cancer. Yeah, showing up. Wow. So your person, they could also be feeling that they got some kind of justice here. Whether or not that is the truth, they could have got an apology. They could be giving an apology, right? I feel like your person, yeah, I feel like your person, for some of you, is stuck here between you and an earth sign here. Or that they were here because somebody was already left out in the cold, or somebody feels left out here with the Devil and the Five of Pentacles here. Let's keep going, though. I'm going to get one card on the Chariot, though, here. I feel like they could be enlightening themselves. That's what they're doing. They're trying to figure out their situation, maybe between you and a Queen of Pentacles. Why is that Chariot there? Why is that Chariot there for Cancer's person? Page of Swords. That's what they're doing. They need more information and they feel stuck. Something like that. They're trying to enlighten themselves here. Yeah, somebody could have left them out. Maybe this Queen of Pentacles, Cancer. That could be the case here. And they could be feeling like they got their justice. Yeah, kind of in a bad way, right? Because it's showing up next to the Devil here. You know, it's, yeah, if this could be getting your justice. kind of like your karma, right? Like, you know, what you deserve here. That's what this is here. Yeah, I feel like they are feeling like they got what they deserved here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow here. Let's get a card on the Five of Pentacles for them. Yeah, I was trying to give, was trying to be nicey nice with them a little bit over here. They're balancing the scales here, but let's get a card on the Five of Pentacles. Why do they have the Five of Pentacles? Cancer's person, please. The Judgment card. Okay, so yeah, I feel like somebody left them out here. Somebody that's what they deserve. Somebody like blew their horn, made a decision, and said you're out here. Yeah, I feel like they're feeling they got what they deserved in a way, or they got their justice here. That it was actually fair. Yeah, so it was fair to them. They could have left somebody out here for you, maybe, Cancer. Wow, let's get a card on Judgment. This is good. Clarify Judgment for Cancer's person. King of Swords. See, they made a decision here to leave somebody out here. They did, or somebody made a decision to leave them out. But I feel like they could have made a decision. Excuse me. They could have made a decision to leave a Queen of Pentacles out here because I feel like they were, you know, what was challenging them or what is challenging them. I feel like they're on the fence here, right? The Hangman. They're on the fence about you and somebody else, a Queen of Pentacles, and that they need more information here. That was the challenge here. Yeah, I feel like they feel left out here. Yeah, I feel like that's the case here by somebody else. If you're dealing with a Gemini, this could just be them simply with the King of Swords. Let's keep going here. We're going to find out here because this can be a few things. And yeah, wow. Okay, so why it's all happening? Let's see. I feel like there was a third party here. The Three of Wands showing up, you guys. Why is that Three of Wands there? For Cancer's person. Seven of Cups in the reverse. Yeah, somebody turned their back here on a third party here. Yeah, somebody turned their back on a third party here. Yeah, definitely. And there's no more confusion here. I feel like it brought some discontentment here. Maybe to your person here. Yeah, because they have the Five of Pentacles in their overall energy here. Wow. A third party could have walked away from them here. Yeah. And it could have made them feel maybe a little discontent here, a little unhappiness here, maybe. They could have felt rejected here. Yeah. I feel like they were turned down by somebody. Yeah. I feel like the Seven of Cups in the reverse is that you are no longer an option here. I feel like they were turned down here. Yeah, they were turned down. Somebody turned their back on them. Or they could have turned their back on somebody too here. Yeah, they could have. Because they have the Five of Pentacles over here. I don't think this is you, Cancer. I think this is somebody else. Yeah, heal thyself. I feel like there was, yeah. Let's keep going here. The Moon card, Cancer. This is you, I believe. Shining down on your two dogs that need attention. They need grooming. These are wolves, though. I feel like this is a wolf and a coyote, I think. Okay, let's see. One of them looks like a coyote here. Okay, the Moon is showing up here. 1, 2. In the recent past. Why is the Moon there for Cancer? Why is the Moon there for Cancer? This can be a secret here, right? Definitely here. Cancer's person. All right. Yeah, Cancer's person here. Seven of Swords next to the Moon is a secret. In the past, there was a secret here. And somebody overcame it here, or somebody thought that they were, you know, Mr. Ego or Mrs. Ego here, right? Like, conceited here maybe. They could have, they could have had victory with a secret. Yes, that's what happened in the past. They had victory, and that they were sneaky here in the past, right? What's on your person's mind is the Three of Cups here. Let's see if they are, I feel like there was a third party in the past, yeah, and that it didn't even have to be a long one. It could have been like, a night of whatever, a night of fun for maybe your person here, and that they, I felt like the other person turned their back on them or something, maybe because they were already in a union with you, or they turned their back on this person here. Whom I believe is a Queen of Pentacles. Why is the Three of Cups there? Why is that on their mind or affecting them? Why is the Three of Cups affecting them? The Hermit, see? I feel like there's an earth sign here, a Virgo. So what is on their mind here? What they're doing here, Cancer, is that they're thinking about a third party. That's what they're doing here. Wow. Yeah. They're thinking about a third party. They could be trying to reunite with this person, maybe. Wow. Because I feel like this person left them out. And that your person, for some of you guys, is the King of Swords, a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Yeah. Because the Justice card next to the Devil, that means they got their justice. Yeah, and they feel stuck about it. Like justice in a bad way. Like what they had coming. Yeah, definitely here. I feel like they're trying to heal themselves, though, from it, right? Yeah, they are here. Wow, let's get a card on that Virgo, or on that Hermit, rather. Why is the Hermit there? But they could be also here, because I've seen the Hermit show up in your readings here. Yeah, also in Gemini's. But over here, this is what is affecting them here. They could just be, they could be thinking about it. They don't have to be necessarily trying to reunite here. Let's get a card on the Hermit. I feel like they are thinking about this third party here. Why is that Hermit there? Why is the Hermit there for Cancer's person? Five of Wands. This is third party. Too many people in the mix here. They could also be thinking that this was a struggle, because the Five of Wands can be a struggle, right? Because people are all struggling together, right? They are. I feel like it's against each other, but it's a struggle. One more card. The Fool here. Wow. So your person could be thinking that, yeah, their person could be thinking a few things here. They're definitely what's affecting them here. They're either thinking about, maybe reuniting with the third party, but they could also be thinking here that this third party has gone on their way here. And I feel like that is what's happening here. Over here, I feel like this third party walked away from them. Let's get one more card on the Four of Cups, because this Three of Wands is there, and this could be waiting for somebody or turning your back. It can be either or. And you can tell by the card itself, you guys, because you know what? Yes, we go by, the meanings from the, the tarot frontier people, right? The first people who did this. We learn the meanings from those people, of course, right? But you also, the images paint their own picture as well, and so this is why there are so many meanings to one card. Let's get a meaning. Let's get a card on the Four of Cups showing up in the root here. I want to know why that Four of Cups is there for your person, please. Nine of Swords. So this is them in the root here. See, they're unhappy. They're sad here. They are super sad here. I feel like they didn't get what they want with the Four of Cups, right? They didn't get what they want here. I feel like somebody turned their back on them. This is what happened here. This third party turned their back on them. And they feel stuck about it. They do. Definitely. Justice, the Devil, Five of Pentacles. They feel left out in the cold by a decision somebody made here. They do. They could have possibly made the decision here as well, maybe, because maybe they don't find any stability with this, who I believe is a Hermit or a Virgo. But because we do have the Queen of Pentacles here for some of you guys, and your person over here, what is on their mind or what's affecting them here, I feel like they're just thinking about this person who has walked away from them. I feel like that's what this is here. They're like taking a, let me go back to memory lane here. I'm gonna look back here and kind of analyze the situation here. I feel like that's all what this is here. I don't feel like they're really trying to make a decision here. I feel like this is more of just kind of, seeing it for what it is here. It could be, though. They could be trying to reunite here, but I don't see that here. I think their person, whoever this other person was for them, is the Fool. Is the person who's leaving. And I think it's a Virgo for some of you guys, right? For some of them. For some of them, right? Yeah, some of your people, whoever you have. Cancer, whoever you may be with at this moment. We're going to grab one more card. I want to know what's affecting them. What's affecting Cancer's person, please? Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they're thinking about this third party here. Wow, they could have been. They could have also here. What's affecting them? They could be thinking of that they wanted to work on it with this person here, but this person has walked away from them. I feel like that is the case here. Yeah, Five of Pentacles showing up here. Okay, this person has left the building here. Okay, yeah. Even if there were security cameras, right? This person left. Okay, the Strength card. The Strength card is showing up here, you guys, for them. And the Strength card is how they see themselves. Why do they see themselves as the Strength card? Death card. Wow. Magician. They could be seeing themselves as a bit of a player here. Yeah, I feel like they're seeing themselves as being strong about this ending here. They could be seeing themselves as going through a transformation maybe. Let's get a card. Those are three major arcana in how they see themselves. That's huge. Why is that Magician there? For some of you guys, it could just be a Scorpio, a Leo, or an Aries here. And that, you know, that could be showing up here, right? And that can kind of change the game. Not a lot, but a little bit. Okay, let's get a card on the Magician, you guys. Queen of Wands here as well, again here. I feel like she keeps showing up, Queen of Wands. I want her to get some new highlights and a new haircut. What do you think? The Magician is here. Let's see why the Magician is here for your person. The Lovers. So I feel like your person, for some of you guys, is a Gemini. And I've been feeling that for a while, and that they were dealing with a Virgo. For some of you guys here, wow. Wow. These are four major arcana, you guys, in how your person is seeing themselves. Your person is going through some real stuff here, okay, seriously. This is why they have clear the air, clear the aura, which to me is clear the air. No, I'm just teasing. Clear the aura. It's clearing your energy. Clear the air. It's similar though, right? Let's get a card on the Lovers here. Wow, we have Leo, Scorpio, Aries, and the Gemini here. And I feel like your person though could be seeing themselves possibly as making a choice here to end something, and they're being strong about it. And they could be having a new start with you here. Wow. Because they're not trying to transform anything with somebody. Because that person has left the building. Or they have left them. Let's get a card on the Lovers. If another major arcana pops out, you guys have to get a private reading, okay? This is serious, right? Why is that Lovers there for Gemini's person? I mean Cancer's person. Okay, here we have the Ten of Swords. It's an ending, right? Yeah, this is an ending, this is an ending. They're making a choice to be strong about an ending. That's what they're doing here. And this Magician is showing up because of their strength. Yes, right underneath the Strength card. Because of their power. Right? Yeah, and they have power. They are inspired here. They have inspiration here. They have some power here. Clearing your aura. Clearing your aura means you are coming into power. That's what it does. Right? You're clearing the old away, and now new things are coming towards you to bring you personal power, to bring you power and light, to bring you happiness, to bring you a higher vibration, right? To bring good people into your life, etc., etc. This is an ending here, and this is how they are seeing themselves. They are seeing themselves as going through a painful ending. They could be seeing themselves as betraying you. They could, right? Because this is betrayal as well. I mean, this guy, he didn't put these 10 swords in his back by himself. There's no way, right? Not in that position here. There is another card here where the lady has the swords in the front here. Yeah, in this deck over here. But your person is seeing themselves as going through an ending here that was painful maybe, but that they are transforming, I believe. They're making a choice, I feel like. If they're not a Gemini, they're making a choice to do so. But they're definitely being strong about an ending here where there was betrayal. The Sun card is showing up in their environment. See, they're happier now. I feel like they are. I feel like your person is coming around to you. And that somebody has left them. And I feel like it is for the betterment of both of you. Because the person who could have left them, maybe they're a player, maybe they just, maybe they were just an option here with the Seven of Cups, right? They could have been an option to your person. Wow. Okay, let's get a card. Let's get one card here. Let's get a card on the sun. The sun is in their environment. Maybe there was a Leo here. Maybe they have new sunflowers. Just kidding here. Why is the sun there? Why is the sun there? Yeah, we do have flowers, right? We do have flowers in our life when we're happy. It's true, right? Even kind of spiritually. Why is that sun there, even if not physically? Why is the sun there for Cancer's person, please? And we have the Six of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. What I think is happening here, I think this is in their environment. I think your person is, the sun card is in their environment. So if you're still with somebody and they're not a Leo, they're happy now. Yeah. And I feel like they are here, your person. They have inspiration here, okay? Nobody crying is really going to have inspiration. They're going to have more like healing grief, right? Yeah. Your person is inspired here. They're clearing their aura and they're healing themselves from maybe some betrayal they caused themselves here. Wow, right? That's always it's always interesting to me how people sometimes can do things to themselves, right? And then they have to heal. So, it's kind of, that's justice for me. That is justice. Yeah, and that's what they have in their, yeah, this is what they deserved. Yeah, I feel like your person here went outside, right? We've gone through this here. But in their environment is the sun here. And I feel like this is illumination for them, though. Yeah, I do here. Now looking at this, right? Love looking at these, sometimes twice here. Yeah, the meanings, they don't all pop up, because there's so many meanings. It's hard for them all to pop up at one time, right? So, yeah, they do. They kind of, yeah. So, for me here, your person is having an illumination here to leave a situation where they were holding on to somebody. Yeah. I feel like they're also happier here. I feel like somebody has let them go and that they are, rowing away here from these choppy waters where they had pain, they had betrayal, they felt sad here, but I feel like they did it themselves here, whoever this was. But they're leaving a situation where they were holding on to somebody. Yes, they are. And I feel like for some of you, they were holding on to an earth sign here I feel like I don't see love here for that person. This is not a long reading though, right? I mean, whoever your person was dealing with, yeah, they could have been dealing with somebody who wanted options here. Because your person is doing this, right? In the past, in the recent past here, or why it's all happening, your person was crying over somebody walking away from them. Yeah. And I feel like it was an earth sign here. And I feel like it was a third party. I feel like they were with you. For some of you guys, they were with you and they had like somebody else on the side here who maybe just wanted them for an option here. Yeah, I do feel like that. And now, I feel like your person is happier now. And I feel like they could have realized here that, hey, I don't want to deal with this kind of a thing here. I feel like they dealt with the pain though here. And I feel like this is why. I feel like they are clearing their aura themselves. Yes. I feel like they're healing themselves here and clearing their aura, and they're much more inspired now here. That is the case here. Wow, this is cool, very cool here. That is the case for a lot of you guys. Wow, or at least something very close to this storyline. Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. Your person is becoming happier now that they have left somebody behind that they were holding on to. This is in their environment. Also, they're moving away from something that was illuminated to them, right? That this person here, whoever they were in a third party with, I feel like just wanted them for an option here. Yeah, and this person could have rejected them. Yes, because this is why they are the Nine of Swords. Yeah, and this is the root. That's big time, right? Big, big time here. Yeah, this is not you, I don't think, Cancer. This is your person being tore up here because I feel like a third party walked away from them. And now they got their justice here. Wow. This is a serious, yeah. Okay, so in their, what is this one here? This is, hold on. Oh, okay, so let's go back here. This is their fear. This was their fear here. Yeah, wait a minute here. This is their desire. This is their hope. This is their fear here. Wow, I think I'm missing a card here. Wow, okay. So this is their fear here. Oh, okay, wow. Let's get a card here. This kind of changes the game a little bit. Why is that their fear here? I feel like your person, though, is coming around to you, though. Let me see, Cancer. This I want to see what this Four of Pentacles is. Why is the Four of Pentacles there for Cancer's person? I thought this is how they were seeing, or in their environment. Why it is not. This is actually, I beg your pardon here. Okay, so this is actually their fear here. Wow. Wow. Your person could be afraid here that you're not going to hold on to them anymore, maybe. Yeah. They could be fearing that you're going to get like an aha moment, an illumination here. Yeah, that could be the case here. Or they could be fearing the other person is leaving them. They could also be fearing, yeah, that you're going to leave them because, maybe, they had somebody here. Let's see, let's get a card on that Four of Pentacles. Why is the Four of Pentacles showing up? Why is that Four of Pentacles there? It changes the game a little bit here. Why is that Four of Pentacles there? But I know for a fact here, for whoever this resonates, that your person is feeling the pain of somebody walking away from them, or possibly them walking away from the other person because they felt like they were an option possibly here. Queen of Cups here. This is you, Cancer. Yeah, this is you most likely, okay, in their reading here. Yeah, they want to hold on to you, I think. I think what this is here, yeah, I feel like they're afraid. They could be afraid that you're gonna like figure things out here. As I just mentioned here, you're gonna be illuminated here, maybe. That you want to, maybe that you want to leave because there were lies here. Six of Swords here. They could be fearing that they're not going to be able to hold on to you. Yeah. This is not a fear really of holding on to a Virgo or somebody else. This is a fear here of holding on to a Queen of Cups here, which is you. And let me see over here. Yeah, they could be afraid you're going to find out here about a situation that they had here, a third party they had here. They could be afraid you're going to leave them. Yeah, and I feel like what this is too is that this person here, wow, they know here that this person over here has gone, right? And now they are thinking, I want to hold on to Cancer. Yeah, wow. Yeah. Interesting here. Okay. Yeah. Let's go over here, you guys. This is what it is. This is how they feel about you. The Ace of Wands is what is unknown, and any actions they are going to take towards you. I left a card out. This is why this got like that. Doesn't change the reading much at all here, but yeah, it was just a little switch here. Clarify why is that? What is the actions they're going to take toward Cancer here? Ooh. Okay, let's see here. Eight of Swords showing up here. The Eight of Swords is showing up over here, you guys, and this is how they feel about you. They feel stuck or something like that, or they don't know. Maybe they don't know what to do. Clarify that Eight of Swords. Why is that Eight of Swords there? Why do they feel that way about Cancer? Yeah. Tower. Wow. Shit. And we have the Three of Swords. So, to me, your person could feel, this can go a few ways. They could be stuck here. They could feel stuck with you, like they're stuck in the tower with you, maybe. But they could feel stuck about this whole situation because they had a third party. And they could also feel that you are heartbroken here, right? Because of their third party, and I feel like that's what this is. Yeah, I feel like that's what this is for some of you guys. Let's get a card on the Three of Swords. Why do they feel that way about Cancer, please? The King of Cups. So this is you, Cancer. Yeah, I feel like they love you here. I feel like they do here. But they can feel, I feel like they feel that you are heartbroken about this. Yeah. I also feel like they broke your heart. Yeah, they broke your heart here, and that they feel stuck about it, kind of. Yeah, I feel that as well here. It can go either way. The Ace of Wands is showing up in what is unknown. Let's see here. Why is the Ace of Wands the unknown? Wow. They could feel stuck here with you in the Tower, though. Okay, yeah, because some of these can go the other way. But I do get a feeling in this reading here that your person was left by a third party, and I feel like they are trying to figure out their situation. Like they could be, in a way, they're trying to clear their aura here. That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to clear their energy here so they can make the right choice here about their life. They have inspiration and they're healing. I feel like they made a mistake here as well. For some of you guys, some of it is part of it. For me, part of it is sneaky, intentional. Right? This is. Right? They have the Seven of Swords here, right? But I feel like some of it is, what's the right word? Like, some of it is a mistake on their part. I feel like it here. And I never really say that in these readings. I feel like so much is intentful, right? I do feel like intentful, like somebody was trying to hurt somebody else, or they didn't give a shit at all. Well, they might not have cared, but I do feel like this person is not so malintended. Okay, that's the word. Ace of Wands is unknown. Why is the Ace of Wands unknown? Why is the Ace of Wands unknown to Cancer about their person? I feel like they want a new start with you. Yeah, I feel like that is the case here. I don't feel like it is with this other person. I feel like this is over. Yeah, I feel like this is totally over. Ten of Swords. Yeah, 9, 10 of Swords here. The Ten of Wands is here as well. I just feel like this is over here, this other union that they have, because somebody already left them. Somebody walked away from them. I do feel like they are thinking about the situation right now. Heal thyself, yeah. Somebody's walking away from them. Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles rather, they've already done that. Whoever they were with already, closed the door on them pretty much here. Or they have done that to that person. Let's get one more card on what is unknown to Cancer, please. Why is the Four of Swords in the reverse here? Yeah, wow. See, this is very cool here. I don't think this is with this other person here. To me, this is clear here. Yeah, and sometimes this is not clear, what is unknown. Sometimes they're trying to have something new. They're trying to rebuild with somebody else here. But for me, I feel like what this is that they've already thought about it here. They have, right? Four of Swords in the reverse. They've already gone through the reflection here. I feel like that is the case here. I feel like they are reflecting about this person a little bit. But I feel like when it has regards to you, Cancer, I feel like this person wants to rebuild. I feel like they want a new beginning with you, and they want to put the work and effort in. They've already thought long and hard about it, because for some of you guys, they have, all their 10 cups with you. I feel like maybe, let's see here. I feel like that is the case here. But in their actions towards you is the 8 of Cups here. Let's see. It could, I feel like this is about the other person. Let's see. Let's get a card. Why is that Ace of Cups? 8 of Cups. Why is that? Why is the 8 of Cups showing up for Cancer's person? Why is the 8 of Cups their potential actions here for Cancer? Why is the 8 of Cups there, please, for Cancer's person? Wow. Wow. Well, I mean, you can take this a couple ways here. I feel like they are not leaving here. I have the 8 of Cups here, but I feel like they want a new cycle with you, a new beginning. They have the World card here as well, you guys, in their actions towards you. Yeah, 8 of Cups, 4 of Wands, the World card, the 10 of Wands. I feel like what this is, though, is that, you know, if they were walking away from you entirely here, I would really see this as in the reverse here, the four of Wands here. I think what this is, though, is that they are, they could be walking away from this other union here, and somebody's walked away from them, or they already have here. Yeah. I feel like they want a new beginning with you, because whatever they have brought here was a burden here. I feel like that's the case here. I don't feel like they're leaving, because the 2 of Wands is in the reverse, and sometimes it could be that the 2 of Wands in the upright is somebody leaving. They're carving out a new path, and they're going their own way here, right? They're at a crossroad about it, but they are doing that. But it's in the reverse here, and sometimes this can mean not going anywhere. Yeah. Not choosing between 2 here. Just not going anywhere, staying put here. I feel like what this is for you guys here is that your person is, I feel like they're leaving an old way, maybe, of being with you. Clear your aura, right, for them. Yeah, clear the aura, yeah, and having inspiration here. I feel like what they're doing here is that they are trying to have a new cycle with you, with the world, after a burden here, where they were at a crossroads in the past. Because this was, you know, when you see these cards in the reverse, that means that in some way they were in the upright, in some way, right? Or at one time, it can be that here. Yeah, I feel like, because ordinarily with the 8 of Cups, I would think that they are walking away from you here. But with these other cards here, I feel like what they are doing is that they're staying here, and they're trying to build a new world with you, Cancer. I think so here. And I'm going to leave the reading there. If you guys want your own private reading on your own situation, for some of you guys there is no Gemini, right? For some of you guys there is another Cancerian, there is a Sagittarius, there is Pisces, or whoever here. But yeah, I feel like, you know, for some of you guys this is, you know, the situation. But if you guys want your own reading, is what I'm saying, you can certainly get one. You can see the About section. And thank you very much, Cancer, for, you know, for watching my videos. You guys rock, and wishing you the best here.